Did you know two monks once committed the most valuable theft in history, and it changed the ancient world forever? For centuries, China guarded the secret of silk with deadly force. Exporting silkworm eggs or mulberry seeds was punishable by death, no exceptions. But in 552 AD, the Byzantine Emperor Justinian had a problem. Silk was the most valuable commodity on earth, and China controlled every thread of it. So he sent two Nestorian monks on a mission, not to pray, to steal. They traveled thousands of miles into China, learned the process, and on the way back, they did something remarkable. They hollowed out their walking staffs and packed them with silkworm eggs and mulberry seeds, then walked calmly past every checkpoint. Nobody searched two monks on a pilgrimage. When they arrived in Constantinople, Justinian had everything he needed. A Byzantine silk industry rose almost immediately. China's monopoly, which had lasted over 1,000 years, was broken by two men, two hollow sticks, and one very long walk.